And one of the reasons we're concerned about travel is the weather. Let's see how the weather could impact your trip. Meteorologist Max Paris is in the NewsNation Holiday Travel Center with the very latest. And Max, I know that so many people are looking at their smartphones and checking us to see what they can expect as they head to the airport.
Yes, it does look like we're going to have weather impacts to impact that busiest travel day of the year, Nick. We are talking about snow coming down through the Rockies, impacting much of Colorado. And this is the beginning of a storm system that's going to sweep through the heartland before exiting on the East Coast tomorrow. So there's that heavy snow coming down from Denver through Colorado Springs into Pueblo. This is wrapping up as we get through the rest of the morning. I want to take you to future radar now, which does show the progression of the storm. Notice the snow quickly tapers in Denver, regenerates over the central United States, and then once it reaches the Mid-South in the Ohio River Valley, we'll be tracking mainly rain, maybe a touch of snow through parts of central Indiana and Ohio. But notice, as we get colder, we will watch this turn over to snow on the north side of the system, impacting parts of upstate New York into New England. As that storm system moves out, approaching Friday, so Black Friday will quiet down for much of the eastern seaboard. But notice, lake effect snow takes over. Cold air on top of very warm lakes. That's a recipe for those snow showers to move in, and they're going to be impactful. Look at this. If you are traveling close to the eastern Great Lakes, upstate New York, Buffalo, even into Cleveland, we'll be talking about heavy snow around, at least around 4 inches, but where you see pink, we could get closer to 12 inches. So how's that impacting the airports today? Let's go ahead, talk about that on this big map, showing that we have a heavy snowmaker and a windy setup impacting travel through Denver. We're likely going to see impacts through Kansas City and Nashville today with that generating storm system, but most of the East Coast, quiet until tomorrow. That's when things change as that storm moves right on the eastern seaboard. Major delays likely from Boston to New York City with that rain-snow mix. A chance for strong to severe storms in the southeast. So D.C., Charlotte, and Atlanta also have to be looking out for this strong storm system before it exits by Thanksgiving night. We'll quiet down but cool off considerably as we get towards Black Friday and the upcoming weekend. I'll let you know how low temps fall with the coldest blast of the season so far in just a little bit. Nick?
Oh, Max, it's one we will be watching all morning. Max Paris, thank you so much.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.